how baby's doing today? Introduce yourself, girl.
Hi, I'm Nyssa.
So today we are at the airport in the Kingston Lounge. We are about to board a flight to where we're going.
Curacao.
So I would have hinted to you guys in my vacation prep that, you know, I'm going on vacation, and I tell you guys in the vlog. Well, here's the vlog. We're going to Curacao. The vlog, oh my god. So this is Nissa's first time on the vlog, so give her some time to catch up.
Warm up.
Yeah. Give her some time. So we are at the airport lounge. We just got some cocktails. Yes, because she realized it's small when you're tired. So we're gonna eat some food and then board, and then I guess when I get to the airport, I will check in with you guys. You excited?
Wow.
You excited?
Still a film? Okay.
Immigration. The lady was so nice. So now we're at baggage claim, gonna pick up the bag.
A few moments later.
Raise your hand if you're going on vacation and they lost your hand luggage. They lost your luggage. They lost my luggage. Are you kidding me? There's literally 20 people on the flight. How do you lose luggage for 20 people? Anyways, we filed a claim and they're gonna see where the bag is, where it got lost or whatever. I'm trying to remain calm and just be like, you know, it's fine, whatever. It's just a thing that happened. So I'm optimistic and hoping that I can get my luggage soon, rather than later. So let's see. Curacao. Hey guys, so we are about to get ready to go on the road. Last night we ended up doing some, you know, night walking because there's something called Punda vibes that happens like on a Thursday. So Punda is right down the road from us, so we're just like, you know, let's just walk and go, you know, explore. When we got there, it was done. Like, we're like, I said to this, we asked this lady, you know, I think she was a little girl actually, you know, where's Punda vibe? She goes, it's finished. We're like, oh, it was from 7. Okay, she's like, yeah, it starts from 7. I'm like, all right, well, we went out there like minutes to 12, so we clearly missed it. And she was like, and it was really good today, they had performances and and I'm just like, thanks ma'am. Why do I look so washed out? Anyways guys, and then when we were coming home, when we got to the hotel, we couldn't open the gate. It's not looking good. Let's try again. Turn it with it. When we were locking the room door, that's how the man was doing it.
The gate is open thanks to me.
Barely. You don't even know what you did. I mean, we're out there for like a solid 10-15 minutes trying to open the gate with a key. I don't know, something about the locks here work different than how we're accustomed to. We're headed to breakfast. So we're gonna go to this place where the front desk recommended. What name?
If you can find it. La Boheme.
La Boheme?
Yep. We sat on the road here.
Over there look like it have shade. So hopefully we can get breakfast. We need to come back to collect the rental car. So let's see if we can get some nice breakfast, some cute pictures, and then we'll get the car.
Pictures too? Like,
hell yeah! just came and we got coffee, so here it is. I got an omelette with toast, a cup of joe, Nyssa got pancakes and coffee. You look so good. I did Nyssa's makeup. It's her first time having me grace her face. She's like, wow, I look like I'm a makeup artist in my face. I'm like, girl,
You are.
a makeup artist did do your face. Alright guys, we're on our way to pick up the car rental now, but I had asked my sister to make some calls back in Jamaica so that we can find my luggage. So they called the airline and just spoke to the manager, and it turns out like a lady came off the flight that we were on, so she decided not to go again and she collected my bag instead of hers. How that is even possible, I don't know, because I watched them tag my bag and put it behind the counter. So how she ended up with my bag, God knows, because my bag is a teal hard shell bag.
Nobody else has that.
Nobody has that bag. Like, you don't be like, yeah man, that's my, no ma'am. Anyways, the driver is laughing. So yeah, sometimes you have to take serious thing, but
No,
joke, you know,
no.
God no, because my sister said, she said to the lady, my sister is naked over there, please find the bag. So they're trying to arrange to get the bag here in Curacao, so hopefully we get an update in a timely manner, like
Today.
like today, to like them calling me tomorrow morning to be like, hello ma'am, we're here to deliver your bag. Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
I'd like that.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna see how it go. But that's the baggage update, but we're on our way now to pick up the car and then do some activities. So, but you know, your girl's still out here looking cute. Even though I'm strained, but I'm still cute, still popping, you know. This is like one of like 2 outfits that's actually in my hand luggage. So check me tomorrow and see if I have the same energy. Guys, I don't know if I'm in this frame, but we just got the car. We're headed to the Curacao Liquor Distillery now. We're gonna do a tour of the rum place. We're gonna make some cocktails. We're gonna get some gelato. Why am I saying these things in accents? So we're actually pretty early. The tour is at 2 and it's 12:30, but we don't know how long it's gonna take us to get there because
I have to drive slow because why?
we're driving on the opposite side of the road that we're used to, and by we I mean me, and it's kind of nerve-wracking, but let's see. We should be fine. We should be fine. This is fine. This is fine. We're fine. This is fine. This is fine. Boom, baby! ChantayLainey special. Alright, let's taste it. Alright guys, so we finished up at the liquor distillery. We're back at the hotel. We ended up going to the supermarket and I bought a toothbrush because the girl was using her fingers to brush her teeth and not. So I bought a toothbrush and some hair products because the liquor mousse were in my ear now gonna last for a week. So we're gonna head to a mall now to try and get maybe like a swimsuit, maybe some extra clothes. I don't know, it depends on the pricing because the airline not said nothing about compensation, and I'm not trying to go broke with my old suitcase for the clothes I did bring. So like we see, they still haven't gotten my bag on a flight to get here, so I'm not anticipating getting my bag until maybe Sunday, Monday. Good morning, it's a brand new day here in Curacao. We are headed to breakfast at Mundo Bizarro. We were going to walk, you know, much against Nyssa request, but I think it's gonna rain today. Up here, so remember?
Oh yeah.
I think it's going to rain today, so we don't know what the rain is like, if it's just gonna be like scattered shower, so we're gonna take the car and go. But we're also, you're driving? We're also headed to Hato Caves today. Hato Caves. We don't actually know how anything is pronounced because the Dutch language, they pronounce words different than we do. And even if you think how they pronounce it in Spanish, it's not really like that. But we are gonna get breakfast at this place that we saw on the internet that was very cute. So we're going to see if we can get some nice food there. Why am I talking in an accent? You know,
you think that's how they sound? That's why you're...
That don't sound like that to me.
That's how the guy sounded though.
Which
we
guy?
have problem.
Oh yes, well that guy for sure. Alright, so let's go to Punda Bazaar. Guys, so Olympics isn't really like a major thing here, but Nyssa's boyfriend is on the phone and he just showed us the 100-meter race. 1, 2, 3. No 1, no 2, 3. Oh, Jamaica, my country. Nice. Ilian, Shelly, Sherik. No. Talk the truth. So we made it to Hato Caves. We're about to start the tour, which starts with climbing 49 steps of stairs. So we're gonna go all the way up there. So it's a commercial cave. We're not allowed to record in it. So there's only 2 spots where we can record and take videos. So I'll show you guys that when we get there. So since you guys can't see inside the cave because it's protected, let me give you a rundown of the little bit that the lady just told me. So this was a cave discovered by slaves back in the slavery days. Over here, far over there, used to be a plantation, so they would run away to these caves. The cave was formed through volcanic eruption, sea levels rising, all those things. This is corals. And then everything inside the cave is limestone. Nice girl. What you said it is? Limestone.
Acidic rainwater and seawater.
Acidic rainwater and seawater. So there's your history. So we're gonna see what's in there. It's about 125 meters, she says.
Yeah, that we're gonna walk.
That we're gonna walk. So, as she say, these things hold on to heat more. So inside I got hot. So let's see. In here turns green because there's so much light. See, I'm learning. Yo.
Hi guys. It's not Chantal. It's Nyssa. So we just finished our Hato Caves tour. It was short and sweet, which we liked because inside was very hot, even though they had fans. But let me tell you, the history behind the caves is just amazing. We had a wonderful time. Thank you, dear. We had a wonderful time.
It was gorgeous, like natural occurring.
Yeah.
The history behind it, hundreds of thousands of years.
Amazing. So we just did a little trail called an Indian trail.
Full of cactus.
We're not sure why it was called that.
Nyssa says, I don't see none Indian.
But that was a nice addition. So round off the tour. So we're gonna try and get some food now. Hopefully the food trucks are out. It's after 12 here.
And we haven't tried any local food since we got here. We've just been eating overpriced risotto and fries.
It's been 3 days. It's bad.
It's bad. We don't get to eat nothing. We don't eat no local.
We don't even know what their local foods are really.
I googled it, but I still don't know what it was.
Oh, we had country fries.
Country fries isn't a thing here. I didn't see it on anybody else's menu.
I thought it was a Dutch thing.
Was it?
Probably.
And you only get 8 them fries?
Yes, we got 8 fries.
Dog. And we see the man teeth out one. It's been a wild ride. guys, so we are back at the hotel. We waited 10 million years for the poke, but it was so good. Then we came back and now we're getting ready. We're gonna do a quick, well maybe not quick, we're gonna do a walk around tour of Punda and Willemstad, see what we can come up with, take some cool photos, and I think that might be all we do today because we have a long day tomorrow. So let's see. So let us see the beautiful city of Curacao. Yeah. Alright guys, we are in Punda and we're about to enter the Queen Emma Bridge, but before I want to show you guys the Punda Love Hearts mural thing. So people come here and lock their love onto it. So it's like the Caribbean version of the French bridge, and it's been here for forever. Like look at this, 1986. So I wonder if those people are even alive, if they're still married. But this is what it looks like. So this one is completely full and these are on their way.
Nice. Everything good?
Yes. So now, thank you, we're gonna enter the Queen Emma Bridge. So this is actually our second time coming here. And what we didn't know was that it's a moving bridge. Oh, the lighting is so bright. Maybe I'll show you from the other side. But if this footage is a little wobbly, it's because the bridge moves. Like it actually like sways, I suppose, with the ocean bed or whatever that is. I don't know. But the bridge moves and it takes some getting used to. So I'm literally like here trying to recalibrate myself. Okay guys, so this mural,
Oh, I saw you guys.
yeah, was painted by Francis. Say hi, Francis.
What's up?
Ah! Turns out we actually saw Francis today when we were at Poke.
Yeah.
So like, I don't know if we were just meant to see each other. So he did all of this, guys. Oh my god.
Of course I saw you. You had like a short.
Yes, I had short hair.
Maybe that's why he wasn't so short.
Yeah.
But yes.
This is gorgeous. So we met the artist and we're at his little gallery, and this is him. I can't step on this.
She's a vlogger.
You see him? Do you see him again? So he has a few pieces that he's working on in here. This one, he says it's for an upcoming gallery expo. So he says it's not finished yet, but it looks great already. And then we have this little lady here, and if you notice there's tape over her eyes. Whoop. He says he doesn't like her eyes, so he doesn't want to see it, so he can tape it over. So, but the pieces are so nice, and even the studio is like super colorful. You guys can see like it's purple, blue, red, orange. Nice. I met a cool artist and famous. Yeah, when we were walking on the road with him, everybody was like, ah, telling him hi. So seems as if he's well known here. When we asked him if he was famous, he said, where is it?
A little.
A little. So now we're at Mambo Beach. We're gonna end the night here.
Car never starts, you know, a bit of
Girl, oh my god! So, let me take my mask off so you can hear the story good. So after we leave the studio that the man showed us, we went to the car because we're gonna come to Mambo. The car not start, like not even like a nothing. And we're like, oh my god,
the sheer panic I felt in that moment. I was like, yeah, make me get seriously.
Nyssa was like,
on your block?
yeah, it's
Okay.
like Nyssa was like, oh my god, they cut the wires of the car. They want us to stay here. We're trapped now.
No, shut
we
up.
fell right into the trap. Truthfully, I was thinking all those things too. And in my mind, I'm like, okay, did we leave the lights on? All right, how can we get the car started? What can we do? Do I know how to jump a car? I'm like, what are my options here? Because, yes. Yo, Nyssa says the weirdest things in public. You're like, excuse me, ma'am. Just, should I get you a megaphone? But yeah, we were.
Wow.
That was traumatic.
Yes, it was.
But I'm glad it turned out the way it turned out.
The car wasn't in park and the handbrake wasn't up, so it wasn't starting.
Truth be told, you know, Nyssa was driving. So you know what really happened was that she really wanted to leave. Like she was just like, alright, I get that. We'll just hurry up and go away. And then she took the car and put it in a drive, and then I try to start the car after.
That's what happened for sure.
And the car couldn't turn off if you never park it.
Damn.
Mad woman. Nyssa, tell the people what we ordered.
So we have cream of pumpkin soup here with a side of garlic bread, and we ordered some calamari.
Guys, I'm sorry, I'm trying to make light work. And then I got mahi with shrimp and mashed potatoes. So we just finished up dinner, and both of us have a serious case of itis. So much so that Nyssa is like, I can't drive. So I'm going to the car now. She's gonna clear up the bill. But I have to go to the car because I have been wearing this wig for altogether too long. Like my thing is even shifting, my scarf. I need to take it off. I have to take it off. Looking at my car. I'm looking around. Okay. I think we might be able to take the wig off. Ready? 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 Y'all, this is why I don't wear wigs out.